Good morning, children. Now we will learn about the physical features of India. Physical division of India. Okay, the physical features of our country vary from one place to other place. Okay, so our physical feature is different from one place to the other place. India can be divided into 5 different physical regions based on landform, climate and natural vegetation. Okay, so they are divided into different 5 different physical regions anamata. Okay, that is based on what? Landform, climate and natural vegetation. They are, first one is what? Okay, northern mountains, northern plains, western desert, okay, southern plateaus, coastal plains and islands. Okay, see, once again I am repeating. First one is the northern mountains, first one. Second one is northern plains, the third one western deserts, okay, western desert, and fourth one is southern plateaus, and fifth one is coastal plains and the islands. Fifth one is coastal plains and the islands. Okay, here different parts of India have different types of climate. So in our country, different parts, different places are having the different climate weather. Okay, the Himalayas in the north are covered with snow and are cold throughout the year. So when you compare to this Himalayas of the north, okay, it's covered with snow and are cold throughout the year. The Great Indian Desert, see here I will show in the picture. Great Indian Desert is mostly dry and does not receive any rainfall. So it's mostly dry and even rainfall will not come here, okay, because of the dry and the climate, okay, and not receive any rainfall because of the no rains, okay. It is very hot in summer. It is very hot and very cold in winter. In winter season it's very cold. Southern part of the country is hot most of the year. The southern part of the country is cool, okay, throughout the year. Why? Maybe the because of the sea areas which are covered at the southern part. The northeast region receives a heavy rainfall. The northeast region receives heavy rainfalls, but it is never as hot as North India. So here heavy rainfalls are there, but North India not like North India because of the moderating influence of the sea, area. Thank you. Hello children, now we are going to learn about the topic of political division of India. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, including the national capital territory of Delhi. So India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, including our capital of India, that is nothing but Delhi. Okay, now when compared to the area wise, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in area. Area wise, when you compare, in our country Rajasthan is the state largest state by area covered wise, and Goa is the smallest state. Okay, 7 states in northern east India are called the 7 sisters. 7 sisters is northern east area. Okay, 7 sisters called. So I will tell you what are they. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. See, once again I will repeat you. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. These are called the 7 sisters which is covered, okay, which are in the eastern side of our country, eastern side of our country. Next, more than a billion people live in our country. Okay, they belong to different regions, tribes and races. Okay, more than billion people are stay in our country. Okay, with different regions, tribes and races. They wear different clothes and speak different languages. Okay, even state wise, we are having 29 states, no? So when you go to north side, they will speak the standard of living, okay, lifestyle, okay, nothing but their clothes, the language will be different. Now come to the point of our states, our Indian states. How many I told you? 29 states are there, no? I will give you one by one now. Andhra Pradesh. Okay, first one is what? Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. So total how many are there? 29 states in our country. Thank you.